Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this story I will tell you how you can download and install FB video downloader. Just you have to write the FB video downloader, and here you will see that 4.2 rating video downloader for Facebook. Just you have to click here, and the file size is 9.10 MB, so it is very low size. So just you have to click here, it will automatically download and installed. You just have to wait few seconds. So after downloading it has been installed, you have to click on open button. After clicking on open button, here you will see the some options, and then you can easily download. So you just have to skip the ads. After skipping the ad, you just have to move out and click on the done button. After clicking on done button, you have to do not allow. If you want to allow, then it totally depends on you. So if you do not provide the permissions, it will not work, and it will not move on. So you have to provide the permissions. This may not work correctly without required permission. Open the app set to modify the permissions. So we must have to provide the permissions. So in the permissions we will allow him. So here you can see that notification not allowed. We must have to allow it. After that it will work. So if you remove the permission, it will not work. So here you will see that this is a ad. You have to close the ad because this is the free of cost. That's why we are seeing the ads. So you just have to paste the URL here of the Facebook, then you can click on the download button. So I already copy from the Facebook this link. I want to download this video, like here you will see that I just go to the Facebook and I copy the link, and then I have paste it. So you can download it in the HD form. So you just have to click on download button, then the download will be begun. So here you can see that the video is downloading. So by this method you can download the Facebook videos. So if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe the channel and like the videos and click on bell icon. So here you can see that the video has been downloaded. So this video is available here in the same in the gallery. You can see that this video is also available here, so you can watch it. So thanks for watching. Take care.